Public accountability ka political accountability? I will go to the final segment of my debate on that. Public accountability ka political accountability? Where do you think the root cause lies?
I think root cause lies on both when it comes to political accountability or a public accountability. Now, to make to make me understand it in a more better way, I see political accountability is when political class is scared of public. Okay, so and that's where political accountability comes, because before taking decision they think about
लोक किती
whether
म्हणटले?
लोक किती म्हणटले and whether and when it comes to the small state, another important point about small state is it's very easy to lose win and lose election very, because small constituencies.
Correct.
Everything. So that's where structurally आम्ही पळयत न्ही जाल्यार political accountability काम करता. ओके, पूण कितें जाता, political accountability डिसिजन घेतले उपरांत काम जाता, त्याच्या पयलीं डॅमेज ऑलरेडी जाल्लो आसता. आणि when it comes to the public accountability, public sometimes are not always vigilant, as Nilesh sir has rightly pointed out. After 2006 there has not been a major civil society अशें जावना, पूण त्याच्या पयलीं जाल्लें आसा, लायक 1987 जागृत गोंयकाराची फौज आमी जर तर पळयत आनी मागीर गोवा बचाव अभियान जर तर पळयत. सो हांवें तोच मुद्दो काडला की आतां कित्याक जायना. So when I was talking about civil society agitation, I was talking immediately after Goa became a statehood. Like after 87 till 2006 we can see, or till 2011 also we can see lots of civil society mobilization was there. But now it is not much active. In fact, few days back there was also one banner which was posted as an advertisement, Delhi captures Goa. And like these advertisements publicly here and there आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा, पूण तेजेर आयज व्हडलो मुवमेंट जायना जो एका काळान जातालो.
पण म्हजी न्ही हाजे बिफोर आय वूड सावळबा एक बरी इंटरेस्टिंग थियरी. आमची पब्लीक मुवमेंट्स जे आसात इट हॅज अ व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ 21 इयर्स. आमचो 67क जालो सावळबाब, मागीर परत 85-86क जालो, मागीर 2005-06 जालो, आमी एक्झॅक्टली 2025-26 आसा सध्या. सो खरेंच जर जाता जाल्यार फुडल्या एक वर्सा भितर हो पब्लीक मुवमेंट उबो रावपा जाय, कारण मागीर इलेक्शनूय आसा 27 भितर. तुमकां दिसता सावळबाब की टुडे आवर सिवील सोसायटी इज इन अ पोजिशन टू परत एक असो मुवमेंट उबो करपाक? कारण ताका सारकी 20 वर्सांची ट्रेजेक्टरी म्हाका दिश्टी पडटा. 67, 87, 2006-07 आनी परत आमी आज 25 आसात. सो जालो जाल्यार तो 26क सुरू जावपा जाय किंवा 25क सुरू जावपाची ताजी एटलिस्ट पावलो दिसपा जाय आमकां.
नाही, तशीच आम्ही पळोवंक गेले न्ही, त्या गोंयांत ती पहिली जी विद्यार्थी चळवळ आसली पळय, ती 1971 मडगांवच्यान स्टार्ट जाली.
बरोबर.
रवी जोगळेकर नांवाचे एक सर आशिल्ले, आरएसएसचो हे आशिल्लो, पूण ताणें दत्ता दामोदर नायका फुडें काडून अखिल गोवा विद्यार्थी संघ स्थापन केली. त्या नंतर मागीर ऑल गोवा स्टुडंट युनियन जाली, मागीर PSU जाली, आनी त्या नंतर फाटल्या एक 10-15 वर्सांक विद्यार्थी खंयच दिसनात. आज जर हातूंत गोवा विद्यापीठ खंयच्या कॉलेजीन इतले बोवाळ चल्ला, विद्यार्थी म्हणटा पळय जाप काडपाक तयार ना. कोण आपल्या ते मोबायल घेवन सोशल मिडिया घेवन सगळेच पळयतात, कितें करतात. सो आय हॅव नो होप अबाउट द न्यू जनरेशन.
खूपच निराशावादी
जाला, कारण
प्रत्येक
आय एम ऑलरेडी जावन 75 इयर्स ओल्ड, आनी म्हाका दिसता की जे आमी आसतना विद्यार्थी आसतना केल्ले पळय, आतां विद्यार्थ्यांक कांयच दिश्टी पडलेलें ना. कोणूच कांय विशय खंयच्या विशयाक घेना,
इंडिफरंट जाल्या म्हणटा
सामकें. सो आय हॅव नो होप.
तुम्ही सामकोच निराशावादी रावन निलेश बाब तांणी विद्यार्थ्यांचेर हाडले परत. सो आतां तुमी शिक्षक म्हणटा डायरेक्ट तुमचे म्हऱ्या वता. फायनल तुमकां दिसता द रूट कॉज लायस इन अवर इंडिफरन्स, जो सावळबाब म्हणटा? Final comments.
I will answer this question differently.
काय तुम्ही म्हाका निराशावादी करून म्हाका धाडयतात?
No. So you are looking at it from two angles, as Prachi said. You're talking about political accountability and public accountability. Now we all need to understand that they are causal. Political and public accountability kind of depend on one another.
Yes.
Now when you talk about public accountability, we are talking about a dead soul society today. आमचो आत्मा मेला, very frankly. Okay. So कोण खंयच कितेंच उलोवचें ना. Somebody wins an election on a promise that in 100 days casinos will be out of Panji, right? And after that the casinos still continue. The person does not even come and say sorry. we have got a kind of system where one person comes from the government itself, from the party, from the government. Like last time also, the MLA, the sitting MLA, made a very strong allegation about corruption taking place for jobs in PWD. This time there is a minister who talks about government being corrupt. Right? Now the problem is, even in spite of all this, there is no accountability that lies with anything and anyone. So the problem is, we are a dead soul society. So public accountability, in my opinion, unless there is a big jhatka that comes in, is going to be a very, very difficult thing to come up with. And because there is no public accountability that lies, political accountability will never be there, because that will be a part of your convenience. Because politics today has become a business. So this is a very, very important stuff. So unless, and with both these things lying low, are we going to look at Goa being sustainable? Is a big question that all people who stay in Goa will have to ask themselves.
Yeah.